Hi, everyone. Welcome back. It's Anna from Westlaw, and this session is on how to create an outline builder on Westlaw. This will be one of the best tools that you can use in keeping track of your class readings, your briefs, outlining, but also it'll help you keep track of things for your closed memo, your open memo in the spring, your appellate brief. And it's a tool that allows you to stay organized and keep track of all your information that you've been gathering, all of your research. So to find your outline builder, I'm going to click at the top where it says tools, the little tools icon, and I'm going to click into outline builder. Now you can see on my password that I've created several outlines. So that's one of the first things that I wanted to highlight was you can build as many outlines as you want. You can break them down by project, by classes, by personal interest. Maybe you like reading the news. Maybe you're interested in a practice area or working in a specific jurisdiction. And so you can build out as many outlines as you want. So you can see I've built out or started to build out several of your doctrinal classes, your legal research. So it's really easy. Just click where it says create outline. I'm going to call this, I will just say open memo research. Maybe you're going to start researching your open memo and you want to just start source gathering things. Obviously, you can also call it, whatever the topic is, if it is maybe on a hostile work environment or products liability or some sort of search and seizure research. You can call your outlines anything you want, but I'll just call this one open memo just to show you how easy it is. Then you can start adding your signposts and subheadings. So maybe I know I have 2 issues to research, so I can add another heading if I wanted to. Save that under. And so as I source gather, I can add my information as I'm going into the correct issue where I want it to go. So this is a great way to do your research in the sense that you can keep track of what you're researching and put it right where you need it to go. Now, once you're finished, you can download this and save it in as a Word document. You can email it to yourself. You can also email this to your professors if you have to submit things like a research path. You can also email it to team partners if you're on a moot court team in the future and y'all are sharing work. This is a great way to share your research without having to print a whole lot of materials off. They can have this information as well. So this is how to create an outline, but I did also want to show you how to drop things into your outlines. So let's say we are researching in civil procedure class, and I'm reading my trustee Penoyer versus Neff case. So here we have this, and maybe I want to copy and drop this into my outline. This section, my professor has referenced this. I can see I just cursored over a portion of the text and it populated, it highlighted, the text as well as popped open this option pop-up. And so one of the options is add to outline. And I can see open memo was the most recent outline that I had open. It was the most recent one I created, but I'm going to go back into my outlines and click on my civil procedure and save it there. So I've now saved it into my civil procedure outline. You can also see that I've taken notes and I've highlighted text on my Penoyer versus Neff case. And just in case you wanted to know how to do that, if I cursor over a portion of the text, that pop-up will appear and it gives me the options to add notes. Professor mentioned this in class. I can save that. And now anytime I come back to Penoyer versus Neff, this information will be saved. I can also highlight if I, just wanted to highlight only if I didn't want to take notes on everything. I can also highlight if you know that you are going to highlight all of the issues in your case, purple, all of the rules in pink, the court's holding in blue. You can do that if you don't want to have to take notes each time. So I just wanted to highlight that information. I'm going to hop back into my outline builder. I'm going to go into that Civ Pro outline that I had started. And so here is my portion that I highlighted and dropped into this outline. I can also begin, even though I just simply created this outline a few days ago. You can see on August 8th, I created this, last updated this, but I created these about a week ago in July. So, but let's say I now know that this case is maybe about personal jurisdiction, and I want to put everything in that header. So I now added that. So I can click on rearrange. Whoops. And I can now put my header over that and start to organize. So this is also a great way to kind of keep going throughout the class as you get to new topics and issues and subjects within your civil procedure or contracts or torts doctrinal classes. You can kind of organize your outline. And like I mentioned, download, and then you kind of have your whole outline built already, ready for finals. So that's how to create an outline and then how to drop things into each of your outlines. Be sure to check out my other videos on various ways to stay prepared and organized and find information on Westlaw. Thanks so much and have a great day.